Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is a video on continuous beams by slope deflection equations, and this is part 1. There are two problems in this video. For the beam shown, determine the vertical reactions at A and C. EI is constant. Here is the beam, and take note there are two equations that must be remembered. One is when both ends of the beam segment have moments, then moment near to far is equal to 2EI over L quantity 2 theta near plus theta far minus 3 times delta over L or 3 times P plus fixed end moment near. Remember the sign convention for fixed end moments and rotations. Clockwise positive for slope deflection equations. Then moment near to far when the far end has zero moment is 3EI over L quantity theta near minus P or delta over L plus fixed moment near minus 1 half fixed moment far. So for AB, the support A has zero moment, treat that the far end, B as the near end. So MBA is equal to 3 times 1, EI is 1, constant, over L6, quantity theta B minus 0, when there is no support movement, so 0 will be the value of B. Then fixed moment at B, right, so positive 30 times 3 times 3 square over 6 square minus fixed moment at A, which is the far end at the left, is negative. So negative 1 half minus 1 half of quantity negative 33 square times 3 over 6 square by symmetry. So MBA is equal to theta B over 2 plus 33.75. Call that equation 1. Then MBC, moment at C is 0, so we use the same formula. 3 times 1 over 8, that's the strip. This is X. So 3 times 1 over 8, quantity theta B minus 0, then minus integral of 30 dx 2 plus x, quantity 6 minus x square over 8 square, 0 to 6, minus 1 half of fixed moment far is positive 30 dx 2 plus x square, 6 minus x over 8 square, 0 to 6. Simplifying, MBC is 3/8 theta B, then minus 3105 over 16, call that equation 2. We then apply equilibrium at joint B, that is MBA plus MBC equals 0. Equation 1 plus equation 2 equals 0. So theta B over 2 plus 33.75 plus 3/8 of theta B minus 3105 over 16 equals 0. Simplifying, theta B can now be computed. It is equal to 2565 over 14 EI. The moment at B is the moment BC. Substitute 3/8 of 2565 over 14, then minus 3105 over 16. The moment at B is negative 125.357 kilonewton meter. We then apply that at B as shown. Then we consider AB to solve for RA. Summation moment B equals 0. RA times 6 plus 125.357 equals 30 times 3. So RA is equal to negative 5.893 kilonewtons. Likewise, considering BC, summation moment about B equals 0, counterclockwise positive, R sub C times 8 plus 125.357 equals 30 times 6 times 5. So R sub C is equal to 96.83 kilonewtons. So that's it for this problem. I want you to solve for RB, then check summation versus Y. So for this second problem, this time let's determine the reaction moments at B and C. EI is constant. So we'll just determine the moments at B and C using the slope deflection equations. This is the figure. So again, moment A, B is 0. So we proceed with BA. The far end is pin supported. So MBA is 3 times 1 over 4 quantity theta B minus 0, then plus 36 4 square over 12 minus 1 half of negative 36 4 square over 12 by symmetry. Simplifying, MBA is 3/4 of theta B or 0.75 theta B plus 72. Call that equation 1. Then BC is an internal support, so we use the other formula. Both ends have moments, so MBC is 2 EI, 2 times 1 over 5, quantity 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 times 0, minus 40 times 3, 2 square over 5 square. And simplifying, that's 0.8 of theta B plus 0.4 of theta C minus 19.2, equation 2. MCB is supposedly we interchange coefficients. So if it is your first time, you'll just proceed with the equation. So 2 times 1 over 5 times quantity theta B plus 2 times theta C minus 0, then plus 43 square times 2 over 5 square. Simplifying, MCB equals 0.4 theta B plus 0.8 theta C plus 28.8, equation 3. Then MCD. So remember, for the couple load, we just use the formula as if we imagine that it is clockwise. By the way, the moment at DE is negative 30 times 2, negative 60, while moment DC is positive 60. So moment CD is 2 times 1 over 6, quantity 2 theta C plus theta D minus 0, then plus 150 times 2 MB over L square, quantity 2L minus 3B. So 2 times 6 minus 3 times 2. If it is positive, it is clockwise. If it is negative, it is counterclockwise. So MCD is equal to 2/3 of theta C plus theta D over 3 plus 50. Call that equation 4. Then MDC, which is positive 60, we just interchange coefficient, equals theta C over 3 plus 2/3 of theta D, then plus MA, 150 times 4 over L square, quantity 2 times L minus 3 times A. So this is 0. So theta C over 3 plus 2/3 theta D equals 60. Call that equation A, an important equation to solve for theta C and theta D. Then we apply equilibrium at B. MBA plus MBC equals 0. That is, equation 1 plus equation 2 equals 0. So equation 1 plus equation 2 equals 0. Simplifying, 1.55 theta B plus 0.4 theta C equals negative 52.8. Call that equation B. Then lastly, MCB plus MCD equals 0. That is, equation 3 plus equation 4 equals 0. So 0.4 of theta B plus 0.8 of theta C plus 28.8 plus 2/3 of theta C plus 1/3 of theta D plus 50 equals 0. Simplifying, 0.4 of theta B plus 22 over 15 theta C plus theta D over 3 equals negative 78.8, equation C. Solving equations A, B, and C simultaneously, we get theta B equals negative 5024 over 371 over EI. Theta C is negative 29504 over 371 EI, and theta D is 129.763 over EI. Since we are only required to compute the moment reactions at B and C, moment at B is MBC, so 0.8 of theta B negative 5024 over 371 plus 0.4 of theta C, that's theta C, then minus 19.2. MB is equal to negative 61.844 kilonewton meter, and M sub C is MCD, so it is 2/3 of negative 29504 over 371 plus 1/3 of 129.763 plus 50. So moment at C is 40.237 kilonewtons meter. So that's it for this video.